In this video, I will guide you on how to send pictures from your phone to PS5, and trust me, the process is quite simple. First things first, you need to get the PlayStation app either from the Google Play Store or iOS App Store. You want to head over to the App Store or Google Play Store, and then from the search bar at the bottom, you want to just search for the PS app. This is actually different from the PlayStation Remote Play app, and then make sure you download this PlayStation app directly into your phone. Once you have the app downloaded and installed, you can open it up directly from here and then just set up the app by signing into the same PlayStation account that is signed in on your PS5. So in my case, I'll just tap on the sign in button from over here. I'll go ahead and enter my PlayStation email from over here. I am now successfully signed in. So at this point, you want to click on the next button. Just follow all of the on-screen instructions and you're good to go. Now from your PlayStation app, you want to tap on the chat icon on the top left hand side. Enter any of the chats of your friends. I'll be taking this one for instance from over here. I'll proceed to send the picture which you want on your PS5 to this particular friend. So tap on the plus icon on the bottom left and then select on the photos icon, which now allows you to be able to access your phone's gallery. So I'll give it full access to my phone's gallery, then select the photo which I want to send into my PS5. In my case, it is this one over here. I'll just select on it, then click on the send button from over here. Okay, so my own picture has been delivered, and just a quick tip: if you want your picture quality to not be highly reduced when you eventually send it to your PlayStation, it is recommended that you actually crop it, maybe rectangular if you want to use it as a wallpaper for instance. Make sure it is not vertical like mine over here. Just make sure it is horizontally, because you're also most likely going to crop it later from the PS5 as well. So make sure you leave it horizontally to keep more of the image quality before actually sending it to your friend. And once you do that, you want to come over to your PlayStation now, and with your PS5 controller, you just want to tap on the PlayStation logo over here, then go over to game base. So scroll down and then navigate to where we have the game base over here. Select on that. Now scroll down to your chat, which I have over here, and then just navigate to that particular friend which you have sent your photo, and then go ahead and open up your photo directly from over here now. So tap on X to view that particular photo, and at this point what you want to do is to basically take a screenshot. And to take a screenshot, you just want to long press on the share button. So just press and hold the share button. Now you can exit this particular page, and now tap on the PlayStation button again, and just over here you're going to see the screenshot you have taken. Now select on it and you can actually choose to crop it. So if I select on it again, I can choose to crop it by navigating horizontally to the edit option from over here. And now I have the option to actually crop it the way I want. So I can select on the zoom option and then use the left joystick to just zoom it inward. And once you're done zooming, you can tap on the done button and also choose to adjust it to the right or to the left. So if I come over here, I can choose to position it by adjusting it to the right or to the left. I am now done adjusting my image to my need. So what I will just do now is to go ahead and tap on the save button at the bottom over here. Select on that, click on save as new. And now everything is done. If you exit from the entire page and then go over to your media gallery over here, select on it, you can see the picture which I have just sent to my PS5, and I can go ahead and use it as my wallpaper or my screensaver on the welcome screen, or do whatever I want to do with it directly from here. If this was helpful, please let me know in the comment section and subscribe to this YouTube channel, guys.